Hello friends, good morning. We are traveling to Mahur to explore the beauty of Sakil Bay. Morning 5 a.m. We are traveling to. We reach my bang, the beautiful tunnel. We rest for some time. How greenery! See guys, I'm going to have party here. Guys, see the sights, the sounds of the years, the sunshine. We are out of the war. The sky is like punching with the clouds, stretching like domes. Beautiful. I can't believe it, guys. I'm standing on the top of the peak. I feel humble and joyful, though I was physically tired. After exploring this beauty of nature, I have to go back home, and my New Year party is waiting for me. So bye bye guys, see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. See you.